what you need, the pattern pieces for this pattern are the Boujee bells. So you'll need the leg piece here. You're going to cut 2 mirrored images of that, which means you're just going to fold the fabric right sides together and then cut all the way around the pattern piece. 2 of those. So you'll cut 1 cut on 2 pieces of fabric right sides together. You'll need 2 of these cut on a fold. You'll need 2 of these cut on a fold and 2 of these cut on a fold. And you'll also need the waistband, and just a little note here, I like to use this waistband from Lowland Kids. I like that waistband, but you can totally use this one. It's basically the exact same thing. You can cut it on a fold like this, or you can cut it open like this. Just make sure that the grain line is going with the arrow and the stretch is going the opposite direction. Same thing with all of these. The arrow is the grain line, so that's going to be the no stretch, or the least amount of stretch, and then this is going to be the stretch. So it's not super important on these, but you do want stretch fabric. All right, and this is what it looks like cutting out. All right, and this is a print that I actually designed. You can buy it in our Etsy shop, on our Etsy shop. These 2 prints right here, and they match perfectly with this beautiful double brush poly lilac lavender color. But this is really cute. So my stripes and my hearts, you can buy the file to print in your own shop at Recaptured Values on Etsy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the big bell is going to be stripes, and then I'm going to do the medium bell, that one, and the small bell, this one, and then the rest of the bell and the waistband is going to be this one. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the cut. This piece here, it's all together, so I'm going to do this curve and this curve, and then the waistband, this is the waistband piece. I'm using this other waistband, but you cut it on the fold like this, and then you cut like this, and then you serge this piece together. For mine, I got 2 pieces right side together, and I'm gonna fold it.